Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously finished some basic concept of C and we are moving to C++. The codes are similar but some difference. Let's see here what is difference. In header file we used to use for input and output file, that is we use print and scanf previously, but we will use here IOStream that will contain cout and cin. Cout will print the will give the print information and it will scan the value. Just we should use a namespace standard here for ideally like a code block, and they were C++ or other ideally, but you need not in turbo C++. Previously we have used here void, but I want to use here just integer because it is default type. In code block it will overcome when we use a void also here, but we will use int because int is easier here, and we have to return 0 in the last instead of get ch. I have already typed this. This is a C++ tutorial, and this will print. Cout will print. This is shifting element that we have used bracket in C plus C language. Here we used to use only these two less than symbol, that is shift right. It will make out means shift right means it will printing this value. Now we will print this. Yes, this is C++ tutorial. We have get this here. Let's know more about C before we proceed to other. C is object oriented programming. What is the difference between object oriented and procedure? We have studied procedure oriented, that is C. Object oriented we can work with classes. Here we can make class here, and in object oriented we can make big program, and but in procedural programming we will make small programming. Object oriented is very useful for making very complex program, but in procedural like C we can make a simple program. And let's input some value. First of all I will see out here some information. Enter a number. Let's terminate it. I will see in. Now it will be shift left. This is shift left means it will shift this value to left position, means this position. It is going to print this, means the things of right position it is printing, but here it will insert to left. Here we can give space here, no problem, will we get here. I want to initialize here, same we can initialize value here. Int a I want to initialize, I will print a. We haven't to give here the type percentage d, percentage f and percentage, and we need not to give m% here to allocate memory. This is the difference between C and C++. Let's run it. It will terminate because we have not done anything here, and printing variable is too easy here. In C++ I will compare. Here we used to do printf, and here we used to pass percentage d, and here we have used to pass percentage a, means a. But now this line has been totally removed and this print is replaced by this, and we are passing simply variable. We need not to use the bracket too. Let's print it and see that. I will enter 4. It should print 4. Yes, it is printing 4. This is how you can get the input in C++. We will learn about some conditional and loop in a short time, because we have already done that and we will revise only here. Thank you for watching this video. We will know more about the C++ in next video. Thank you.